Holy moly. Oh my... I'm sorry if I'm talking, this is just insane.
Oh no, it's fine.
Oh my god, this is like a true nightmare.
No, this is...
Whoa.
This is actually kind of cool.
I wish I was tall enough like you. Oh my god, did you get that?
I like this new phone and it picks up lightning so well.
Whoa. Oh, this is deadly. Oh, if you get
No,
shot.
it's not. That's cool.
This is
Thunderstorms
cool.
are nice.
Yeah, but deadly as well. And very, very cool.
Oh no, well, most, I'm pretty sure most people that got struck by lightning survived.
Yeah, they did, but
But
memory problems.
Massive trauma.
Oh, if I got struck, I'll never have any problems.
Alright, I sacrifice you. Get struck. It's sacrifice. Oh damn, I got that.
Frosting in the storm.
Damn.
Frosting in the storm. Frosting in the storm.
Start fortnighting. I swear. If you keep doing it, I'm throwing you across the world. Oh shit.
My eyes just flashed before my
Oh, that
eyes.
hurt my eyes. Ow. That honestly hurt.
That did not hurt for me.
That, oh, damn. That honestly, that hurt my eyes again. Ow.
Oh, I did this.
It's... What did you do?
I don't know what I did.
What did you do?
I did nothing.
You did something.
What did I do?
You summoned...
That made me mad. Stop me if I'm lying to you.
You pissed off Zeus.
I'm sorry, Zeus. Please don't kill me.
You pissed him off. I'm pretty sure that's the god of thunder or something. I think. I think he is. I would have to have a look later. I'll sacrifice you since you pissed him off. Yep, you're pissing him off.
3, 2, 1.
You're making the god of lightning angry. Damn. It's like a massive light show.
Oh, yeah.
POV, your house lights are bugging out. Ow. Shit. Oh, that hurts.
Jumping and seeing. Jumping and seeing.
That hurts my eyes. Ow.
Jumping and seeing.
I don't care.
How's this like your eyes, not mine?
I don't know, because you're weird. You're a strange being. You're a strange being to me. Get your butt back here. It's lightning and thunderstorm. I don't know if I got that, but that was lightning and thunder at the same lightning and thunder at the same time. I don't know if I got that.
That's how we're gonna get so many views from this.
Mine. But goddamn, this is cool.
A real lightning storm I've never seen.
No, this is one of my favourite storms. You can come out here, because I don't know where in the world, but you can get like ball of lightning sometimes, and they just float around like nothing.
Bolt of lightning shot 3 times in one
ball.
spot.
There's a ball somewhere in the world, I don't know where, but you can see ball of lightning. Just a full-on ball of lightning. Ow! Brightness.
Let's go.
Oh, the goddamn thing from what do you call it?
My eyes were wide open.
What's
the
that
entire
movie?
Time.
What's that movie that they don't like?
Challenge.
bright
Keep your eyes wide open when the lightning flashes.
Sure, you can do that and get blind. Well done. Well done for your
I'm
blindness.
sorry, Zeus. Please don't shoot me. I did nothing.
Take her. Take
I
her. Take her.
complimented your He's mad. Let's get inside.
No, no,
I don't want to die.
no. You freaking out is the best. Why did that look like some sort of face just then?
How about you ask for lightning?
No, seriously, it looks some sort of weird.
I'm gonna die for this.
Yeah, you kind of are. So you might as well just lay on the ground and accept your fate.
What the heck?
Another light show. Let's go. Light show. Yes.
I'm God.
No, that lightning didn't even look like a lightning struck. It just looked like bing, like a light bulb turning on. Oh damn!
I'm gonna go blind for this. Oh my God.
One of my favourite storms ever. Sure, I would love to see snow, but this is one of my my first favourite storm.
This is my
It's just a
favourite.
full-on light show.
Thunderstorms and lightning storm mixed together.
Ooh.
Wait. I think I got zapped by something.
Oh,
I got zapped by something.
I don't know. I think you might feel a little sting or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I think we should get something before we get electrocuted.
Oh, if you get electrocuted, that's fine.
Okay.
But why? You're getting electrocuted, it's fine.
Stay alive.
Who should I do? I'm just kidding.
Wow. This is amazing. Everyone like and subscribe.
You know this is my channel, right?
For more.
This is my channel.
Can I help you too?
Bright light.
That got that. They got the strike. If we were in an open field, it'd be amazing.
I don't know if it got it, but I think it got like half of it. But that one full on. Kira?
Yeah.
It full on just went. Just a full on.
Lightning is never in a straight line.
Oh no, it's in a zigzag sort of riggedy.
Look, the sky just turned purple for me. Is that normal when you get struck by metal?
If you get struck, I'm gonna crack up laughing. And your tombstone will say this bitch got struck by lightning 'cause she felt like it.
Zeus, strike
That's
me
what would
and my
happen.
sister down.
Don't strike me down.
He's considering it. It's a consider.
No, don't strike me down. Just strike her. Just take her limbs. Just take her foot. That's all. Just numb
You
her
love my
foot.
kisses.
She's simping for a guard now. Okay.
See what I just saw?
I'm going to hit her in the head.
I'm gonna go blind for this.
No,
It'll
that's-
be worth it.
What? I'm sorry, you'll go blind because of this, and it'll be worth it. That just looked cool.
Okay,
It was a
no.
no. It was a full circle, lightning down the middle. Balloon.
Oh my god.
More.
Well,
more.
say this is
More.
kind of
more,
the best night ever.
More. Woo. Any more?
Yeah,
Is there any more? Whoa.
that was one. Now, that's one done.
Aw. I'm out here alone.
Bye.
I'm out here alone. Ooh. Oh. Lightning. Lightning. Ooh. This is one of my favourite storms. Sure, rainstorms are nice, but lightning, thunderstorms, they're my favourite.